Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So when Chrome 145 was rolled out to the general public, we are currently sitting on Chrome 147, which I posted on earlier today. That has just rolled out, that latest release. I'll leave the video for that linked. But when Chrome 145 rolled out earlier this year, it introduced a highly requested feature called split view. So if you right click on a tab, you can see add tab to new split view, which basically puts two tabs side by side in a single window, and it's quite handy if you've got a larger monitor for multitasking. Now, although this was a highly requested feature after the rollout, and also as I saw in the comments and do see almost on a day-to-day basis in the comments, there's a bit of frustration with this feature because the problem is that where Google has located add tab to new split view is causing accidental activations of the feature when it's not needed. Because when split view was introduced, we can see it was added as the second option in the context menu, which has led many to accidentally click on split view when they're actually meaning to open a new window or add in a tab to a new group, or as another example, when right-clicking a hyperlink. So that was the issue, which basically means that muscle memory went to the second location for that task and those tasks, where Google popped it in the second place. So a lot of users are wanting, as an example, to add tab to new group or open a new window, and they are clicking on split view accidentally, which is causing frustration as mentioned. Now the good news is that Google is now starting to sort the situation out and obviously has heard the user feedback, which hasn't been positive regarding that little tweak and adjustment. And if we head over to where the Chromium team tells us what's going on, the Chromium team is going to move split view below the open link in new window option. So it's moving from second to another location. And here we can see, please add a feature to remove the open link in split view from the right-click context menu. And here we can see it says the problem is this leads to muscle memory doing the wrong thing, and it's quite annoying, as I have just demonstrated. So it's nice to see that something is actually going to be done about this. So it hasn't rolled out yet to the general public, but clearly we can see that Google is going to be doing something about it. So obviously when that does roll out, I will obviously post and let you guys know, which I think is going to bring a lot of relief for a lot of users of Google Chrome. And something else, just as a side note, users have also asked the Chromium team for a toggle that can actually disable the feature completely. But the bad news is it doesn't look like this is going to be happening anytime soon. For Google has said, and I'm quoting, "We understand many of you requested a master toggle to disable split view completely. While we are not introducing a global switch at this time, this wasn't a decision made lightly. Our goal is to evolve Chrome's multitasking capabilities while maintaining a streamlined set of configurations that remain manageable for all users. We believe that by refining the context menu placement and drag and drop sensitivity of the feature, we can provide value to those who use it without it being intrusive for those who don't," quote unquote. So interesting stuff. At least this option is going to be moved into a better location, and just wanted to let you guys know, because I know that has been causing quite a bit of frustration. And when that does happen, I'll try and keep you in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.